Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore the old YouTube layout. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Make sure it is updated to the latest version available to ensure that all features work properly. After that, tap on the dots icon at the top right corner of the browser window. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to scroll down to find the option for the Chrome Web Store. Click on it and a new page will open up. Once you are on the Chrome Web Store page, look for the search bar at the top right corner. Type in YouTube Redux and press enter. You will see a list of extensions related to your search. Open the first extension that appears in the search results. This is the one you need to install to restore the old layout. After you open the extension page, click on the Add to Chrome button to install it. A confirmation window will pop up. Click on Add Extension to complete the installation. Once it is installed, go ahead and navigate to the YouTube website. You will notice that the layout has been restored to the old version, which many users find more user-friendly. Now, to customize your experience further, look for the puzzle icon at the top right corner of your browser. Click on it to see a list of your installed extensions. Find the YouTube Redux icon and click on it. This will open the settings for the extension, where you can change the layout and other preferences to suit your liking. So that's basically how you can restore the old YouTube layout. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.